Alright, so let me show you this door pocket liner here. So this is for the Tesla Model Y Juniper that I just got here. First off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So you get a pair of these. So a pair for the front door, so the driver and passenger side front door, and then for each back door you get this one as well. So 4 total, 1 for each door. They are really easy to get in. Basically you just get them and push them in here. They fit in there perfectly. And then once you get them in, you have a nice compartment down there to store different things. So you can put a water bottle here, you can put tools or like hand sanitizing wipes or whatever you want here. It has compartments, so that is very nice. Keeps everything nice and organized. And then it's lined down here as well, so if it ever gets dirty, it's easy to take out and wash. So that's super nice. So you have that on each side. And then on the back door you have it as well. So on the back you can store water bottles or whatever you want back here. And then again you can see there's a compartment in there, and it keeps everything nice and clean and organized. And again, very easy to take out if you need to clean it, and it keeps it from getting dirty down there. And then it also comes with this silicone here that you can put in your cup holder down here, so that'll keep the cup holder nice and clean, so when you put drinks in here it won't get dirty, and it'll be very easy to take out and clean as well. So yeah, super nice set here to keep your Tesla nice and organized and clean. So if you're looking for one of these, check this out.